Hippocrates, father of trigonometry, study of angles and sides of triangle, alpha, beta, gamma, phi, psi, xi. Let's sing together so we can.
Question number 6. Here you have to find the area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed by the x-axis, area enclosed by x-axis, x equal to root 3y, and the circle x square plus y square equal to 4. Done. So circle is given and two lines are given. So first we'll try to draw the diagram. So here circle is x square plus y square equal to 4. That means circle with center 0 and radius 2 is given. Done. This is the equation of circle with center at origin and radius is 2. And x square plus y square equal to 2 square. So radius of the circle is 2. And therefore, the coordinates of these points are 2, 0. These points are minus 2, 0. This will be 0, 2. And this one is 0, minus 2. So this is our circle. Then area enclosed by x-axis. And this is our x-axis. Circle, this is our circle and this is our x-axis. This is our x-axis. And the line x equal to root 3y. So here equation of line is x equal to root 3y. So what is the y equal to mx form of the line? It is y equal to 1 upon root 3x and c is 0. So when c is 0, line is passing through the origin and the slope of the line is tan theta is equal to 1 by 3. So it's a 30 degree. Done. So our line is passing through the center. तो ये लाइन को कैसे ड्रॉ करेंगे? सेंटर में से पास करेंगे और उसका जो एंगल है वो कितना होगा? पाई बाय 6. दिस इज आवर लाइन. दिस इज द लाइन x equal to root 3y, or you can say y equal to 1 upon root 3x. So we have to find the area enclosed by this circle, this line and x-axis. So that area is this one. Now you have to find the area of this region only. So how to find the area of this region? The area of this region is nothing but the area, है ना. इसको यहाँ से आपको दो पार्ट में डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. तो ये जाके एक होगा एक एरिया अंडर दिस लाइन, और वी कैन से एरिया ऑफ वन ट्राइंगल, और इतना एरिया होगा एरिया अंडर दिस सर्कल, है ना. और यू कैन से कर्व वाई, है ना. यहाँ पर हम एक स्मॉल स्ट्रिप कंसिडर कर ले, वर्टिकल स्ट्रिप. ये वर्टिकल स्ट्रिप होगी, वो ये स्ट्रिप यहाँ पर एक्स एक्सिस पर है तो डी एक्स होगा, जिसको आपको वाई के फॉर्म में लिखना होगा सर्कल को. तो इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू वाई के फॉर्म में लिखेंगे तो क्या होगा? 4 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर और स्क्वायर रूट. सो वाई इक्वल टू प्लस और माइनस होगा, लेकिन यहाँ पर फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट है तो इट विल बी 4 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. फॉर द फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट वैल्यू ऑफ वाई इज प्लस 4 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. सो इक्वेशन ऑफ दिस कर्व, है ना, दिस विल बी वाई इक्वल टू square root of 4 minus x square. Done. So area of this region enclosed by this y equal to 1 upon root 3x, x-axis and circle is area of this region 1 plus area of this region 2. Area of the region 1 is nothing but the area of triangle. So for that we have to find the length and height of this triangle. So first you have to find the coordinates of this point. So how can we find the coordinates of this point? So for that, first we'll try to find the coordinates of, for example, suppose this is point A. So first you have to find the coordinate of this point A. So coordinate of this point A is nothing but the intersection of this circle with this line. Then intersection of this circle with line y equal to 1 upon root 3x. तो इसका intersection हमें point A के coordinate देगा. So here equation of circle is x square plus y square equal to 4 and line is x equal to root 3y. So put x equal to root 3y over here. So put x equal to root 3y. We are getting root 3y square. So it's a 3y square plus y square equal to 4. So 4y square equal to 4, and hence we are getting y equal to plus or minus 1, y equal to plus or minus 1. फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में y कैसा होगा, पॉजिटिव, सो टेक y इक्वल टू प्लस 1, है ना, फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में है. सो फॉर y इक्वल टू प्लस 1, द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज √3. सो कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ दिस पॉइंट ए आर √3 1. तो ये जो पॉइंट इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट सर्कल और लाइन का, उसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स होंगे √3 1. Clear? So coordinates of this point A, which is the intersection point of line y equal to 1 upon √3x and circle is √3 1. And hence we can find the coordinates of this point. Suppose this is point B. So coordinates of this point B are √3 0. है ना, ये जो पॉइंट है उसका कोऑर्डिनेट मिलेगा √3 0. So this distance is √3 and the height which is 1. So we can find the area of the region 1. So area of region 1 is, we can say area of triangle. So area of region 1 is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. Our region 1 is nothing but the one triangle whose base is this distance 0 to √3. So it's a 1 by 2 √3 and height of this triangle is 0 to 1. Y coordinate 0, here y coordinate is 1. So difference of y coordinate is the height. So it's a 1. So 1. So area of region 1 is √3 by 2 square units. Clear, students? Is there any doubt? Now you have to find the area of this region 2. Region 2. So now to find the area of region 2, we are considering the vertical strip over here, and that vertical strip is along with the x-axis. So area of region 2 is integration of, here vertical strip is along with the x-axis, so here you have to consider integration of y with respect to dx, and this is our curve y, and here limits are from this point to this point, and this point is x coordinate is √3 and this point is 2 because the radius of circle is 2. So coordinates of this point are 2 and 0. So here the limits of integration are √3 to 2. Is that clear? √3 to 2, and we have to integrate y. This is our function y, and we have written our equation of circle in terms of y, which is 4 minus square root of 4 minus x square. Put the value over here. So area of region 2 equal to integration from √3 to 2 and our y, है ना, यहाँ से हमने y लिखा था, क्या लिखा था, this one, square root of 4 minus x square dx. Done. Now formula a square minus x square, so it's a x by 2, integration is x by 2 into square root of a square minus x square, so this one is 4 minus x square plus a square by 2, so 4 by 2 sine inverse x by a, or a is 2, so it's x by 2, applying limits √3 to 2. Now put the values of this limit and simplify it. So first we are taking x equal to 2. So for x equal to 2, this is 1, this is 0. This will be 0 plus 2 sine inverse 2 by 2. So it's a 1, 2 sine inverse 1. 2 sine inverse 1 minus, now put x equal to √3. So it's a √3 by 2. 4 minus √3 square. So 4 minus 3, 1 plus 2 sine inverse x is √3 by 2. Done. Now sine inverse 1 and sine inverse √3 by 2. So sine inverse 1 is, what is the value of sine inverse 1? Sine inverse 1 कब होता है, pi by 2 पर, माइनस √3 by 2 प्लस 2 sin inverse √3 by 2. Sin inverse √3 by 2 क्या होता है? Which value of sin is √3 by 2? pi by 3. So it's a 2 pi by 3. Open this bracket, 2 cut. So this will be pi minus root 3 by 2 minus 2 pi by 3. This is the area of region 2. You have to find the area enclosed by the circle and line and x-axis. So it's a addition of area 1 and area 2. So area of region 1 is 1, this one, and area of region 2 is equation 2. So total area enclosed by the circle is addition of these two one. Done. So now here you can write total area, or we can say required area. Required area is the area enclosed by a circle, x-axis and given line is sum of these two results. So it's a result 1 root 3 by 2 plus pi minus root 3 by 2 minus 2 pi by 3. So plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 cut. So it's a pi minus 2 pi by 3. Pi minus 2 pi by 3. 3 pi minus 2 pi. So it's a pi by 3 square units. So area enclosed, that is our required area, is pi by 3 square unit is the answer. Done? Students, Kusal, Rusiraj, Tejal, Harshita, Kshama, Kshirja, Rusiraj, how many students are there? Very good. Thank you, sir. Sorry, thank you, beta. Find the area. Find the area of the smaller part of the circle. Find the area of the smaller part of the circle. X square plus y square equal to a square, cut off by the line. Cut off by the line x equal to a upon root 2. So you have to find the area of the circle cut off by this line. You have to find the smaller part of the circle. So here circle is x square plus y square equal to a square. So circle is there with center at origin. So circle or first curve is circle. This is the circle with center 0 and radius a. So coordinates of this point are a0. This one is 0a. This one 0 minus a, and this one 0 minus a. This is circle. And line x equal to a upon root 2. तो a upon root 2 कहाँ पर आएगा, है ना, ये यहाँ तक a है और a upon root 2 की वैल्यू a से छोटी होगी. तो दिस लाइन x equal to a upon root 2 is the line perpendicular to x axis. तो ये perpendicular to x axis कहाँ पर होगी, ये सर्कल को कहीं पर से बीच में से कट करेगी. डन. So this one is x equal to, बोलो, x equal to a upon root 2. Done. So coordinates of this point are a upon root 2 0. So you have to find the area of the smaller part of the circle. So area of the smaller part of the circle, smaller part कौन सा होगा, ये लाइन कट करने से ये पार्ट होगा, area of the smaller part of the circle. You have to find the area of this region only. भाई आवाज नहीं आ रही है, जोर से बोलो. हाँ बोलो. So you have to find the area enclosed by this circle. So that is symmetrical about the x-axis. So we will consider only this part of the area and we will double it. Done. So here we will consider this small strip. We will consider this small strip along with the x-axis. Done. So it's a dx, and we have to write the equation in terms of y. So what is y? y is square root of a square minus x square. It will be plus or minus, but here we will consider first quadrant, and for the first quadrant our y is positive, and that's why we are considering the plus sign. So this is y equal to square root of a square minus a square. Done. So required area. What is the formula of required area? Our required area is twice of, है ना, twice, because this area is symmetrical about the x-axis. हम इतना area find कर रहे हैं, so it will be double of this area. So it's a twice of y into dx, and our x is vary from, this is x equal to a upon root 2 line, and this is the radius a, and that's why coordinates of this point are a0. So our a is vary from a upon root 2 to a. So here limits is a by root 2 to a. Clear? Put the value of y. So this is equal to twice of a by root 2 to a, and our y is square root of a square minus x square dx. This is the required area, and then you have to integrate it. So formula, so integration is twice of a square minus x square, x by 2 square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a, and limits a upon root 2 to a. Done. Put the values. This is 2 into first put x equal to a. So if you are putting x equal to a, this term will be 0, and this will be a square by 2 sine inverse 1, a square by 2 sine inverse 1, minus, now put x equal to a upon root 2. So x equal to a upon root 2 will be a upon 2 root 2, a upon 2 root 2 into square root of a square minus x square. X square is a square minus x square, our x is a upon root 2, so it's a square by 2, a square by 2, plus, now putting x equal to a upon root 2 plus a square by 2 sine inverse. Now again x equal to a upon root 2, so this a will be cut, so it's a 1 upon root 2. Clear? Simplify this. So this is equal to 2. This one is a square by 2 sine inverse 1. Sine inverse 1 is pi by 2. So it's a square by 2 into pi by 2 minus this one 2a square minus a square. So 2a square minus a square is a square by 2. So a by root 2. So it's a into 2 root 2, and this one is a upon root 2 plus here it's a square by 2 sine inverse 1 upon root 2. So sine inverse 1 upon root 2 कहाँ पर होता है, pi by 4. So it's a pi by 4. So this is equal to 2 pi a square by 4, pi a square by 4 minus this one is a square root 2 into root 2 2 2 2 is 4 plus a square pi a square by 8. Now open this bracket, so this will be equal to pi a square by 4 minus a square by 4 minus pi a square by 8. डन. अभी इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना पड़ेगा. पाई ए स्क्वायर माइनस पाई ए स्क्वायर बाय 4 माइनस पाई ए स्क्वायर बाय 8 कितना होगा. पाई ए स्क्वायर कॉमन ले लो, पाई ए स्क्वायर कॉमन, सो 1 बाय 4 माइनस 1 बाय 8 माइनस ए स्क्वायर बाय 4. 1 बाय 4 माइनस 1 बाय 8, 1 बाय 8, so it's a pi a square by 8, pi a square by 8 minus a square by 4. Done. So here we can take this a square by 4 as a common, है ना. a square by 4, a square by 4 common, so this will be pi by 2 minus 1. So it's a pi minus 2 upon, और ये 2 तो था यहाँ पर. So this one is a square by 2, a square by 2, and this is pi minus 2 upon 2. Multiply करो. So our answer is a square by 4 pi minus 2 square unit is the area enclosed by this, or you can say smaller part of the circle, area of the smaller part of the circle cut off by this line x equal to a upon root 2. Done. Question number 8. Find the area between curve y x equal to y square, x equal to y square and x equal to 4. Find the area between this curve x equal to y square and x equal to 4. Sorry, the area between this x equal to y square and x equal to 4 is divided into equal parts by the line x equal to a. So area enclosed by these two curve is equally divided by the line x equal to a. So you have to find the value of a. This is one of the important question from this exercise. So first try to draw the diagram. This is x equal to y square. So y square equal to x, parabola is there. So for plus and minus value of y, plus or minus value of y, x is positive. So our parabola will be like this. This is the curve of parabola x equal to y square. So the area between this curve and line x equal to 4. Line x equal to 4 is the line perpendicular to x axis at x equal to 4. Suppose x equal to 4 is over here. So line is perpendicular to x axis. So this is the line perpendicular to x axis at x equal to 4. So area enclosed by this curve and this line is equally divided by this line x equal to a, है ना. तो ये लाइन को x equal to a से equally divide कर रही है. So this is x equal to a line. This is our x equal to a line. Here you can write x equal to a. So this area is equally divided. Which area? This total area is divided into two parts. This part and this part. Two equal parts are there. ये वाला और ये वाला. Done. This area is equal to this area. The line x equal to a divides the area enclosed by this parabola and x equal to 4 line into equal parts. You have to find the value of this a. X equal to a. This is the question. Now, how to solve this equation? So here we will consider small strip, or you can say small vertical strips in this area. And we will consider only first quadrant. First quadrant में जो आएगा है ना सिमेट्रिकल है, तो फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में ये एरिया और ये एरिया दोनों इक्वल होगा. So we'll compare this area equal to this area. And another small strip over here. Two small strips are there. This is region 1 and region 2, and the area of these two regions are equal. Done. So this one is area 1, A1, and this is our area 2, A2. So these both area are equal. So we are comparing this both area. Here vertical strip is along with the x-axis dx. So here you have to write this curve in form of y. So y is plus or minus square root of x, but as it is in first quadrant, we are taking y equal to square root of x. This is also y equal to square root of x curve. Done. So here we can say that area 1, A1 is equal to area 2, A2. So now, according to our condition, A1 is equal to A2. This area is equally divided by this perpendicular line. That is line perpendicular to x axis at x equal to a. ये दोनों एरिया इक्वल पार्ट में डिवीजन हो रहा है. So area 1 equal to area 2. Now what is area 1? Area 1 is from this origin 0 0 to this point. First you have to find the coordinates of this point A, or you can say it's a that you have to find. So A1 equal to A2. तो ये 0 से a होगा और a से यहाँ तक ये कौन सा पॉइंट होगा 4. सो लिमिट्स आर 0 to a और a to 4. So for this area A1, our integration is integration of y with respect to x and limits from 0 to a equal to, for this area A2, vertical strip is along with the x-axis, so it's again y into dx and limits from a to 4, a to 4. ये समझ में आ गया सबको? स्टूडेंट्स, ये समझ में आ गया? बोलते रहो कुछ, मुझे कुछ लगना चाहिए कि है कोई सुनने वाला. हाँ, 0 to a square root x and here 0 to 4 square root of x. Now simplify this. So integration of root x is, है ना, ये root x है, so यहाँ पर इंटीग्रेशन लिख रहा हूँ. 1/2 पावर का होगा 3/2 अपॉन 3/2. So it's x raised to 3/2 upon 3/2 and limits 0 to a plus नहीं equal to x raised to 3/2 upon 3/2 and limits 0 to 4. Put the values of limits. So here x equal to a and taking this 2/3 outside from the bracket, so it's a 2/3 a raised to 3/2. Done. 0 put करेंगे तो 0 हो जाएगा. So this is equal to, again this is 2/3 and here put x equal to 4, so it's a 4 raised to 3/2 और ये यहाँ a था, a minus a raised to 3/2. Done. So this 2/3 cut, so this one is a raised to 3/2 equal to, now 4 raised to 3/2 को कैसे लिखेंगे? इसको ऐसे लिखेंगे, 4 को 2 स्क्वायर और 3/2 को 3/2, 2 कट तो ये 8 हो जाएगा ना. 4 raised to 3/2 is 8, so this one is 8 minus this one is a raised to 3/2. ये माइनस a raised to 3/2 को राइट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ले जाएंगे, तो a raised to 3/2 तो था और एक ऐड हो गया, ये हो गया 2 into a raised to 3/2 इक्वल टू 8 और ये 2 डिवीजन में जाएगा, तो ये होगा a raised to 3/2 इक्वल टू 4. अभी यहाँ पर 3/2 पावर लेनी पड़ेगी, है ना, तो इसको कैसे करेंगे? 4 को लिखेंगे 2 स्क्वायर. डन. नाउ टेकिंग 2 पावर ऑन बोथ साइड्स, a raised to 3/2 टेकिंग 2 पावर और ये 2 स्क्वायर तो था, है ना, या फिर 4 था, तो 4 को स्क्वायर करो, ये 2 कट, तो ये हो गया a क्यूब और ये हो गया 16. हमें a क्यूब नहीं, हमें तो a चाहिए, so a is cube root of 16 or you can say 16 raised to 1/3 is the answer. यूनिट है ना, ये एरिया नहीं है, सिर्फ ये कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ दिस पॉइंट a है. डन. सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस a. इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, याद रखना है. डन. So now question number 9. Ninth one. You have to find the area of the region bounded by the parabola y equal to x square and y equal to mod x. चलो ये तो समझ में आ गया कि ये पैराबोला है. ये क्या है, कोई बताएगा मुझे? व्हाट इज y equal to mod x? Y equal to mod x is our modulus function and we know the graph of modulus function. This is parabola, है ना. For plus or minus value of y, plus or minus value of x or y is positive, so for plus and minus value of x or y is positive, so this is our parabola. This is parabola y equal to x square and this is our modulus function. Done. For x equal to positive value, y will be positive. and for x equal to negative value, y is also positive. So this is the graph of modulus function y equal to mod x, और यहाँ पर होगा y equal to minus x, और here y equal to plus x, and this is the graph of y equal to x square. Done. So you have to find the area enclosed by this region, area of the region bounded by this two curve. So that area is area of this part, ये वाला part, और ये यहाँ पर ये वाला part, ये area find करना है. So for that what we are doing, we are considering this area. Say this one is point A, point B, and this is point C. This one is point D, and this is A, B, C, D, E. This is point E. So to find the area enclosed by these two curve, what we are doing? We are finding the area of this triangle. From that, we are subtracting area under this curve. ट्राइंगल का जो एरिया है उसमें से ये वाला एरिया सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. दिस वन एरिया अंडर दिस कर्व, ये सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे ट्राइंगल के एरिया में से. तो ये जो पिंक वाला कलर है वो मिलेगा. सेम वे हियर. डन. सो फॉर दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ दिस पॉइंट ए एज वेल एज पॉइंट ई. तो उसके लिए क्या करेंगे, देखो हियर और पैराबोला इज y इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर, y equal to x square, and to find the intersection point of this y equal to x square, and our y is equal to x, so put y equal to x over here and y equal to x. And now what is the intersection point? Intersection point is nothing but the common point, or we can say solution of this equation, y equal to x square and y equal to x. So put y equal to x, so therefore we are getting x equal to x square, and therefore we are getting x square minus x equal to 0, and therefore we are getting x minus 1 equal to 0. So two values of x are there, x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. x equal to 0 तो यहाँ पर होगी, तो ये जो पॉइंट होगा वो x equal to 1 वाला ही होगा. तो if you are taking x equal to 1, so what is y? For x equal to 1, y is also 1. So coordinates of this point D are 1 1, and this one is 1 0. Done. Similarly y equal to minus x लेके सोल्व करो, तो यहाँ पर आपको ये पॉइंट मिलेगा, है ना, ये 1 1 मिला, तो ये आपको मिलेगा -1 1, और ये कोऑर्डिनेट्स होगा x इक्वल टू, और कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ दिस पॉइंट a आर -a 0. डन. दिस इज द ओरिजिन 0 0. So here you have to consider integration from -1 to 0 and 0 to 1, and these two are symmetrical. Done. So we'll consider only one part and we will double it. So what is required area? So now I'm writing the equation of required area. So required area is area of this triangle minus area under this curve. ये कर्व कौन सा है? ये पैराबोला का कर्व है. इसके अंदर जो एरिया है ना नीचे वाला, है ना, जो वर्टिकल स्ट्रिप हम कंसीडर करेंगे, वो वर्टिकल स्ट्रिप कहाँ पर होगी? यहाँ पर होगी. ये है ना, ये वाला एरिया निकाल रहे हैं. दिस इज आवर वर्टिकल स्ट्रिप. तो दिस इज एरिया अंडर दिस कर्व. तो हमें एक ग्रीन वाला एरिया मिलेगा. वो एरिया हम ये ट्राइंगल का एरिया उसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, तो हमें जो पिंक वाला एरिया दैट इज अवर रिक्वायर्ड एरिया वो हमें मिलेगा. क्लियर. और इसको डबल कर देंगे तो ये दोनों साइड का एरिया हो जाएगा. सो नाउ अवर रिक्वायर्ड एरिया इज, our required area is twice of area under this line, area under this line y equal to x, area under the line y equal to x minus ये करना पड़ेगा, that is area under the curve, area under the curve y equal to x square. डन. डबल करेंगे तो दोनों एरिया मिल जाएगा. तो दिस इज इक्वल टू ट्वाइस ऑफ, नाउ एरिया अंडर द लाइन y इक्वल टू x, y इक्वल टू x, दिस इज अवर y इक्वल टू x. सो क्या होगा? लिमिट्स फ्रॉम 0 to 1, सो इंटीग्रेशन 0 to 1 y इंटू डी एक्स माइनस एरिया अंडर दिस कर्व, वो भी क्या होगा? 0 to 1 y इंटू डी एक्स. डन. लाइन के लिए होगा y इक्वल टू x, और ये जो हमारा कर्व है उसके लिए y होगा y इक्वल टू रूट एक्स, और यहाँ पर y इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर ही है. सो पुट दिस वैल्यू ऑफ y, सो इट्स अ ट्वाइस ऑफ 0 to 1 line is y equal to x, so here y equal to x, that is x into dx, minus 0 to 1 कर्व इज y इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर है ना, देखो y इक्वल टू एक्स लिखा है तो x, और y इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर तो ये एक्स स्क्वायर dx. Perform integration, so it's a 2 into integration of x square is x is x square by 2, limits 0 to 1, minus integration of x square is x cube by 3 and limits 0 to 1. Put the values and simplify it. So this is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 minus, ये 2 दोनों के लिए मल्टीप्लाई है, माइनस 1 by 3, now 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, it's a 1 by 6, so it's a 2 into 1 by 6, so it's a 1 by 3 square units. Clear? So area enclosed by this line and curve is 1 by 3 square units. Understood? Now question number 10. ना फटाफट देख लो, चलो इसकी डायग्राम समझ में आ जाए तो सब हो जाएगा. Here you have to find the area bounded by the curve x square equal to 4y. Area bounded by the curve x square equal to 4y, and the line is there, x equal to 4y minus 2. So curve is x square equal to 4y. So for positive negative value of x और y is positive है ना, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव वैल्यू ऑफ x है ना, x स्क्वायर है तो पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव वैल्यू ऑफ x और y इज पॉजिटिव, so y पॉजिटिव ऊपर होता है तो our parabola will be like this. This is our parabola, and now we have to draw the line x equal to 4y minus 2. So we can write this x equal to 4y minus 2 as a in form of y equal to mx form. So it's a 4y equal to x plus 2, so y equal to 1 by 4x plus 1 by 2. Done.